Hello, visionary, and welcome back to our channel. This is Raquel of Raquel and Davidian. Unleash your genius. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about human design and money making. What is the test? What is this experiment? So, as you know, human design, it's not just information, it's an experiment. It has strategies and it is calling you to take on those strategies and see if it changes your life. Now, one of the things that I've really noticed is when it comes to money making, it's a whole different dimension. When it comes to starting a business or overcoming the doubt, the fear, the insecurities, on an entirely new set of obstacles comes up. And this has to do with your wounds. It has to do with how much money you're used to holding. It has to do with fears and traumas around receiving and self-worth. Now, why your human design chart is so important is because it amplifies all of these things specifically for you so you can explore your places of weakness, of shadow, of vulnerability. So, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about where you might see some of those issues in your chart. What I haven't spent a lot of time talking about is money manifestation in alignment with your unique energy type, your aura. You see, when I ask people what their shadow side is of their type, what their dark side is, everyone has a list of all of the ways in which they sabotage themselves. As an MG, they go too fast. As a generator, they don't respond. As a projector, they whine, they complain, they overwork. And as a reflector, they don't know how to sample and ride out that emotional wave of the moon. And as our manifester, you are oftentimes shut down in order to really step ahead and initiate your action. Now, how do these things fit in to the money manifestation that you may see out there in the world? Now, the reason why I'm so inspired to take this experiment on, and by this experiment, I mean living your human design and implementing money mindset strategies to such a degree that you're shifting your consciousness every single day. You're aligning to new vibration, to new frequency, to new awareness every single day because the job is 24/7. The job is a full-time job in order to shift where you are. You see, your frequency around wealth is your own. It's not something you can blame on a parent. It's not something you can blame on the past. It's not something you can blame on your education. It is a vibration and a frequency that you maintain every single day. You wake up and your value system, your ability to manifest money is set at a certain barometer, and that is the place you wake up in. In order to shift that, there is an entirely new vibration that needs to come in. That means you have to heighten your consciousness and the thoughts that you're thinking down to the minutia. So let me give you an example. If you are trying to start a new career and you wake up and your mindset is, I have to do this career that I've been doing. It's what I know. It's what I understand. You wake up and you begin each day. And even though you're not ready maybe to leave your career or leave your job, but you know something's brewing underneath, you have to pay attention to what that level is in your thinking that keeps you believing that's all you can do. Before you push forward, before you take any action, you have to first change what's happening on the inner realm. So if you're used to making a certain amount of money, you have to pay attention to your self-worth. Why is it that this is the value system that you believe you are worth? And it usually has to do with comfort. It has to do with how you were raised. It has to do with ideas around people who are wealthy or what it's going to take to get there. It'll take too much effort. I can't, I'm a projector. So you have to pay attention to those subtle vibrations and those subtle thoughts. And it is a full-time job. This is why I'm creating the test, the money test, the experiment to use your human design to understand how your aura type is operating so that once you can shift your mentality, your frequency around your manifestation, then you can make sure that you do it in alignment with your human design. Because if you're not going in alignment with your human design, you're going to get in these high vibe frequencies. Then you're going to go out and do all the things that you were told to do, go out and manifest. Then, as a projector, generator, or MG, or reflector, you're going to get a lot of pushback. So you have to merge these two, but uniquely for you. You have to take the strategies with the frequency and the money manifestation and merge it with your human design for true life shifts. If this sounds interesting to you, you want to heal the karma, you want to go back and heal the wounding, you want to leap into new realms, maybe you need a new job, or maybe you just want to make more money doing what you do, you love what you do. And the poll we took in our Facebook group, that was primarily what we were seeing is a lot of people love what they do, but they want to just double or triple what they're making. And so again, you go to the status quo, your body, your mind, your frequency, your to-do list. It's an equilibrium. So you do what you're comfortable doing. And in order to go to the next level, it's not about moving faster, working harder, especially if you're a projector. It's not the hustle. It's the understanding that your vibration and your frequency around wealth is something that you have bought into, that you believe this is what you are worth. You believe this is what you are worthy of. Now, I'm not going to do any of the 6, 7 figure launch and any of the go, go, go ego stuff. This is a real conversation of real life experiences where people have struggled. They have lost money. They have made bad investments. And it takes time to heal that. And even though you may have been through loss, it's time to reinvent that loss as an opportunity to hold the calibration for a brand new story. That it was the stepping stone to my big success. It was a stepping stone to where I am going to now. But if you're in the loss, you can also have the story of becoming the victim, what you did wrong, beating yourself up, and then spiraling down the drain where you cannot get out of bed, you cannot work, you cannot move forward because of the pain of the loss. And that's when you need to just do the healing, the forgiveness, the allowing of what is, the allowance of this moment, the perfection of every single choice to bring you to where you are. You may not have liked that choice, it may not have been exactly what you wanted, but you have the opportunity right here and right now to reinvent the story, to create anew, no matter what's happened, no matter where you are in your life, no matter what is happening in your life, and step out into the arena where you know that the vibration is coming from within. It is your birthright. The vibration of you have enough. It's coming towards you for your good. The vibration that when you align to your design and when you align to that higher frequency, whatever needs to be healed can be healed so you can start running again. And sometimes you need support. Sometimes you need uncovering. Sometimes you need to listen very carefully to the record playing. You need to slow down. You need strategies. All of these things are what we're doing in the test, the money test. And I want to invite you to come join us because it's big. It's going to change your life. The law of attraction, vibrational, psychology, healing, visioning with your human design to assist you in bringing forward that higher vibrational frequency of the future where you are moving and being called to the vision that you're seeing of yourself rather than replaying the loss, replaying the drama, replaying the pain of the past. It's time to understand that your vibration is your choice. So I will see you in the test. The link is in the description. Thank you again so much for being part of our community. We're really, truly honored to have you here. If you haven't grabbed your free chart, I'm going to put a link for that in the description as well. If you haven't bought your copy of Are You a Mutant, I'm going to put a link to the description for that as well. If you have resonated with this video and you know that there's healing to do around money, or you're just ready, maybe you're already having a lot of success, but you know you need to do it by design. You know you need to do something that more appropriately expresses your purpose, then this training is for you. And I'll see you there.